Right, hello everyone, welcome back to FOREX Trading with Si. If you're finding me for the first time, I want to welcome you to the channel, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get straight into it. So this week's weekly watch list, I've got 4 pairs on my eyes. So first of all, we're going to start with AUD USD. On the daily time frame, you can see here I've got my levels marked out. So this support area is my major support level, and up here is my major resistance level. As you can see, from last week, the market has been staying in this range, which is quite good. So for this week, what I'm looking for, going into the 4-hour time frame, for what I'm looking for this week is for a price to either come down and test my major resistance level. If not, then I would want price to come up and test this temporary support level right here. If it does break this temporary support level, then I'll look to see how price will react around my major resistance level just right here. So that is 2 scenarios I'm waiting to happen on AUD USD. So I'm just gonna wait patiently to see for market to get to those price levels and see how it reacts. So that's my first pair I've got my eyes on this week. I'm going to leave it so you lot can have a look. Take a quick screenshot, whatever you want to do. Mark up those price levels right there. Next up, we've got Euro USD. Right, I'm going to start on a weekly time frame. As you can see, Euro USD has been trending in an uptrend since the start of the year, but we have now come up to these areas here. As you can see, when last time Euro USD was at this level, it had a reverse and started to trend downwards. So I'm waiting to see if we're going to get this pattern again, if history is going to repeat itself, and if price is going to start to trend downwards. Right, so looking at it on a daily time frame, we can see how price has came up to this temporary resistance level right here. So when the market opens, which will be in a few hours time, I'm going to see if this level is going to hold, or if it's going to break it. So to take this trade, I would take this trade on a 1-hour time frame. It will be 1 hour or the 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see on both of the time frames, it's been respecting that temporary price level right there. So with Euro USD, I'm just going to wait to see how it reacts with that level. And if it rejects it, then I'm expecting price to push back down to this support, to my major support level. But if not, if it breaks beyond this temporary resistance level, then I'm expecting price to come back up to these levels and test these levels right here again. So that's 2 scenarios we've got for Euro USD. So I'm going to leave it like that. You want to take a quick screenshot of those price levels right there. My major resistance level, temporary resistance level, and my major support level. Right, let's go on to New Zealand Cad. As you can see, I had a winning trade. New Zealand Cad, definitely one of my favorite pairs. But managed well for the last few weeks. All my trades has been winning trades on this. So right now, this is one of my favorite pairs I like to trade. If you go on my Instagram, you would have saw last week. We saw videos from last week. My trades I put on this. So starting with New Zealand Cad, I'm expecting price to come up here. I'm waiting for price to push up and touch my temporary resistance level just right there. And what I'm looking for is a candlestick reversal pattern to happen around that level there. If I do not get a candlestick reversal pattern around this level here, then I'm going to see if it pushes on to come back and touch my major resistance level. So that's one scenario I've got for New Zealand Cad. And the second scenario would be if price was to come back down and retest this level right here, either my temporary support or my major support levels. So I'm looking for price to come back down and test these 2 levels just right here. And that's it for New Zealand Cad. Pretty straightforward 2 scenario. And my next pair will be USD Cad. I haven't traded this pair for a while. I've had setups, but they haven't come through. So with USD Cad, it's similar to New Zealand Cad. So what I'm looking for is price to either come and test my temporary resistance level or come and touch my major support level. So that's two scenarios I've got a USD Cad. I'm going to be waiting for price to get to those levels, either those two price levels right there. So I'm going to leave the screen there for you to take a quick screenshot of. Right, so that's going to bring it to my weekly watch list on Forex Trading with Sides. Keep it nice, short and sweet. Check out my Instagram. I've got lots of videos of trades I took last week, which is pretty good. And also join my Telegram group. I'm also going to be putting in screenshots of trades I'm looking to get into during the week, because I'm not going to be uploading videos on YouTube of what trades I'm looking to take. I'm just going to be doing my weekly watch list where you can see what trades I've got my eyes on. But sometime during the week, another setup comes in, so I'll just post a screenshot in the Telegram group, let everyone know I've got my eyes on this trade as well. And I'll also be looking to take a position. So that brings it to end to this week's weekly watch list. I just want to say, have a good trading week. Trade smart. Remember, risk reward is very, very key to trading. So make sure you have a perfect setup. Not perfect setup. Make sure you have a good risk reward, but that's very key to trading. So have a good trading week and see you next time.